Internet of Things is a pretty popular buzzword right now, but it's not one of those passing fads. Internet of Things is actually an important concept that's making changes to society right now. So welcome to Module 1, and we'll be talking about Internet of Things over the entire course, but in this module we'll basically define the term. It's used in many different ways depending on the speaker and their motivations and so on. We'll break down the term, talk about it, give some examples, so you get some kind of an intuitive understanding of what an Internet of Things device is and what it is not. Also, we'll talk about various trends, technology trends that lead to Internet of Things, that enable it effectively and make it all possible. And we'll talk a little bit about the impact on society of having things embedded everywhere that are watching you at all times and are networked. So we'll talk about that, privacy issues and things like that. Thank you.